To access to the augmented reality from ID mobile application, scan the sticker on the valve. The augmented reality appears on the screen of your mobile phone. On the top, in the blue card, the information related to the valve are mentioned. Under the blue card, there are 5 yellow buttons which give access to the documents and videos, the tools necessary to make the maintenance, the set of seals for the process, and the maintenance of the actuator. The 2 other blue buttons deal with the maintenance record. The first one is the maintenance record itself. It gives back the information from the cover, plus additional field which can be filled. You can precise where the valve is located, which is the reference of the valve compared to the PLC. You can add a comment, precise if it deals with a preventive maintenance, the date of the maintenance, and the recommended next maintenance. You can take a picture and send and save the form. The history of the form are available from the second button, blue button. You can open all the forms already filled and generate a PDF. To refresh the information in the blue card, you have to scan again the sticker. The information are refreshed. If you slide to the right, you have access of the history of all the scans you have already made. You can share them or delete them. You can make a research on the list, typing the name of a valve or a reference.